Welcome to Pipex.ai, India's trusted B2B marketplace for industrial products. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add a sending email account and use it to send your quotations, pro forma invoices, and invoices professionally. First, log into your Pipex.ai account. From the left-hand navigation menu, go to Billing and Quotes, click on Settings, and then open the Sending Accounts tab. To add a new email account, click on Add Email Account. Here you'll see multiple connection options. Select Connect Google Account as your preferred method. Next, select the checkbox and click Connect Gmail Account. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account that you want to use for sending billing documents. After selecting your account, click Continue to proceed. Google will ask for your permission to securely share the required information with Pipex.ai. Review the permissions and click Continue once again to complete the authorization process. Once the verification is successful, your email account will be added automatically. You can view all your connected email accounts in the list, along with their connection status and the number of emails sent for the current day. If needed, you can also send a test email to verify that the account is working correctly or remove an email account that is no longer required. After that, navigate to the Quotation section and click the Share button. From here, you can either share the quotation immediately or schedule it to be sent at a later date and time. Select the sender email account you want to use, then choose whether you'd like to set it as your default sending account or use it only for this quotation. Once everything is configured, click Share. Congratulations! Your sending email account has been configured successfully and shared with your customer. Thank you for watching.